Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today let's learn about how to get Instagram filters. Nowadays it's quite trending, but some people wonder how do they do it, how to get these filters. Here I am to tell you how to make your own Runaway Aurora filter on Instagram. Very easy, just follow the steps. Now open an Instagram home page. When you open it, swipe to the right. There you see the filter section. Now you have to find the search option by swiping right to the end. Tap on Browse Effect button and you find Effect Gallery. Then search for Runaway Aurora. Type on it and give a search. There you are with plenty of results. Just tap on any one of it. Just tap on any one of it. If you like the effect, download it or can try it right away. After downloading, go back. Now swipe to the left till end. You see the filter which you downloaded. Now tap and hold for the screen to record your video.
In the rain, I felt alive and I can't complain. But no, take me home, take me home. I was running far away, would I run off the world?
Leave the tab. You can directly post this to Instagram story or download it to your gallery. The video will be downloaded and can share anywhere from your gallery. Enjoy it. Hoping this video helped you to get the filters. Thanks for watching.